Matata. What a wonderful phrase.
Hakuna Matata ain't no passing craze.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Timon and Pumbaa. Hakuna Matata.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. Timon and Pumbaa.
Find out why!
Hey, Timon, ever wonder why we... Sneeze!
I don't have to wonder. I know. We've got all these teeny tiny volcanoes in our nostrils. And when they erupt, we sneeze.
I don't think so, Timon. I think a sneeze is a reflex.
And I bet you're gonna tell me all about it, aren't you?
Oh, no. I'm gonna show you. You see, a sneeze is a reflex that is triggered when the nerve endings of the mucous membrane inside the nose are irritated.
Look, it's a pick for the nose. Get it? Pick, nose. Hey, get me out of here!
A sneeze forces air out of your nose real fast to get rid of whatever irritated it.
Ugh, it's not funny, Pumbaa.
And when you have a cold, you sneeze a lot more because that mucous membrane swells up and it's more easily irritated. All sorts of things can make you sneeze, like dust, ragweed pollen. There's even a small percentage of people who sneeze if they suddenly see a bright light. Ever wonder?
Find out why.
Gesundheit.